So, when I remember this girl,
I did get upset and then wake up out of the dream. But I did actually turn one actress in the dream.
Christasha.
And then I text them, Richie tell me books that I have interview though. I think it was the Thursday.
Alright, when I remember this girl, she play in a Where Is Honey. That a two person I don't remember it, you know. Well, and just stay with me. We're getting there.
One day I say, Popeye. I say, Popeye, I can't put me in a video when I get for act too.
I don't remember, not true.
And Popeye say, you really want to come in a video? I'm say, yes, I want to come in a video. And he say, I can't act. I say, of course, I can't act.
I don't have to remember that one.
That means I can't believe you see that.
Alright, I don't remember she. I don't have to remember. Tour. Who again? Oh!
People, I tell you. Let me see what I know. I see them on the internet all over. I just want to come up with new show. But there's a but.
Biba, I'm a favorite girl. I'm a know say when I remember Kelani. One more question before me let her go off of the video now is what you see for yourself and Richard Brown films? Like where you see yourself? I see yourself a part of this team 5 years from now, you see. And who again? Hold on, let me check my phone at people. Check the list to make sure say no. Say wrong. Oh, you know, so I'll probably forget that one at all.
Last time Mr. Brown, everything good, how everything I look. I tried done up some work to try to get something to post, you know. By tomorrow, Saturday, late this Sunday, something we ready for go.
When I see Mama in another video,
Oh.
so over there, so. Carlander. I remember Carlander, not true. Wait till we reach the end of this list of people. Some of the males them now.
You just bust out and laugh.
Remember that brother, yeah?
Alright, so Boyd Grant has been an actor since 2006 when I first came out in Better Must Come.
Can't act, not true. And then, two brother, they no bother, they no split up again. Everybody they one place, I know. Jano Star, me give it. Alright, so yes, no get it. People ain't come back together and one big old bad movie I gonna make name Friend in Need. Me don't know if for the continuation or whatever, but I will just say it'll go back to how it did stay at first. So, yo, me excited people. I wonder if I'm excited like me. I just feel like some I just feel good. I never supposed to come tell you this, but you know, get the information and you know, I leak it too, you know. I know so I still I go tune in, I still I go watch the movie them, and yes. So, big up on yourself, and I guess I will see you people in the near future with some movie with them people, yeah. And later. Happy April 1st, people. Psych. Happy April 1st. Big up on yourself. I'm telling them about the Talawa series already. I wonder how much people that actually catch. I think I'm telling already the Talawa series. Yeah man, I work for them. Only drawback is getting everybody one place at the same time. Fun. Yeah. As I mean, that's the whole back. But you know, I go and do it thing. So expect some more episodes of that. And as me would have said in our previous videos, make sure you subscribe to Akin. And how you go find that, I'm going to put a pin comment. So the first comment. Click on the link, takes you to the channel Akin, subscribe, click the notification bell, subscribe, click the notification bell, and stay tuned. So, yeah people, big up on yourself. You know how I come say me I do this now? I have one WhatsApp group. And somebody try pull one little prank and it almost catch me, almost. But because myself that try come up with anyways, no one like it chatting. Big up on yourself later. See you soon.